Hello everyone, welcome to my demo showing my Udacity Azure Cloud DevOps Analytics program. This is a project which is having a machine learning a Flask application which is predicting house prices. The first thing that I will show you my GitHub Actions repository. So this is my application repository. So to do GitHub Actions, you will click here and you'll see if you want to create new workflow, you can create new workflow, but I already have created workflow. So I'll show you how it goes. And this is my GitHub Actions workflow. And this is the workflow file that GitHub is generating for you. Like it's having the steps. It's giving a working directory by which is your application file is placed and do the rest of the steps. Once it's completed these steps, if it's successful, it shows you this green light. It's also this shows you my GitHub Actions successful build. So you can see also my test which is passing, which is good. And this is how GitHub Actions is set up. So this is the first step that you do in working with GitHub Actions. So the next step would be I'll show you how to run the project in using Docker application. So here we will take a look how to run our application from our local environment. This requires Docker. So to run our Docker shell script. It will take some time. So once you reach to this debugger pin, you will open a new terminal window. In the new terminal window, we will run our prediction and we'll see how it will predict. There you go. We got our prediction with our local environment. So this is how you run your Flask application from using Docker environment in your local environment. So next we will see how to run it in CloudShell. So here is my CloudShell already integrated with Git repository so that I cloned it here. And then let's see how to run it. First, you need to set up your virtual environment. So running this command. Oops. So once you run this, you have to activate your virtual environment. Running this command. So now it's activated. Then we will run our make install to install the dependencies. So now we have already run our make install. Then you will create the Azure web app running Azure. I have already done that, but this is the command in your app name. So I've already done that, so I can run the prediction. Once you run that, you have to replace the prediction URL in your make prediction Azure application. If you see the file, I have provided that my Flask application service, which is created using the Azure. And now let's see if we can predict from that. Yes, we get our prediction. So this is working. So yeah, and my Flask application is running over here. So this is how you run it from your Cloud Shell. So now, how we create a CI/CD pipeline using Azure DevOps organization. So in your Azure, this is your Azure DevOps organization dashboard. So I have integrated my GitHub repository to this Azure DevOps so that I can run on create a pipeline and see how it works. So you can create a new project if you want to have just clicking this button and set up. And once you click your project, you can set up your pipeline. If you don't set up already, you need to have this new pipeline set up. Whenever you after you integrate by going through this all steps, creating the pipeline, then you'll see integrated applications, and I successfully created my CI/CD pipeline. You see, I have run some of them, and I'll show you. This is my working CI/CD pipeline. It has two stages: the build stage and deploy web app. So if you go to your repository, you will have uh, you'll see. Uh, you'll see this Azure Pipeline Wrangler file, which is running uh, the CI/CD. So this is my deployed application. It has two stages: the build stage, and it has successfully done the build stage, and also I have the deployment stage. So here is my Flask app. If you click this, uh, you will see my application is running. So yeah, this is the successful deployment of Azure using Azure CI/CD pipeline. So if you create new pipeline and integrate it with GitHub CI/CD, and then you'll see this successful page. So thank you for following me. And this is all about my project.